भाभी यहाँ पे सबसे फेमस क्या है सिलीगुड़ी का? सबसे फेमस चीज़ मतलब कोई भी गुड थिंग अबाउट सिलीगुड़ी, सिलीगुड़ी सबसे अच्छा।
वो तो पता नहीं मेरे को।
सिलीगुड़ी का सबसे अच्छा चीज़ क्या है?
अपना अपना चॉइस है, क्या
अपना आपका चॉइस क्या है?
चॉइस है अपना।
I'm in Siliguri, West Bengal. Namaste. So we were like, we have to wait. Okay. We need to wait for our bus. It will arrive at around 6:30 p.m. So now it's 3 p.m. We want to explore a little bit of Siliguri and we have no idea like what we are gonna do. हमारे पास कोई idea भी नहीं है क्या करना चाहिए. Let's just roam around and see. Okay, I need to take out some money. I will go inside and okay, these are the stuff you can see here in Siliguri, guys. नमस्ते अंकल.
नमस्ते।
आपका दुकान है ये?
हाँ, मेरा
Okay.
दुकान ही है।
अच्छा, ऐसा मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक
नहीं, पूरे हमारा है।
पूरे हमारा है। ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग।
पूरा इनका होता
ओ भाई interesting. Okay, he is the owner of this huge building. Oh my god. Okay, let's go ATM जाना है. Okay, let's get inside the ATM and let's take out some money. Money. Okay, I've got some stocks of money. Now let's roam around and let's see what are the interesting things about this place, Siliguri in West Bengal. Okay, he has this full stock. Amazing. Okay, Darjeeling tea भी यहाँ पे है. यहाँ पे क्या करना है?
No idea.
We will just roam around and I noticed one thing. There are so many stuff. Yeah, handmade stuff. Okay, interesting. You can buy these things from here. Namaste. आपका है दुकान? अच्छा, बहुत बड़ा है. Okay, these all are made of from cane. All are handmade, guys. Namaste. Namaste, भैया. All right. Let's roam around. We have no idea. आपको कुछ पीना है खाने का? हाँ, कुछ पीते हैं जूस वगैरह. आपको क्या पियेंगे? चलते हैं देखते हैं. Let's see. Let's search for some interesting stuff.
You know, Golgappa?
Yeah, I know Golgappa. Let's try and eat some. Yeah. Okay, let's have some Golgappa over here. All right. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, I had Pani Puri in Darjeeling. Since then, this is going to be the first time having Pani Puri. Let's compare the Pani Puri. The Pani Puri that I had from a beautiful girl. Jalmur. मेरे को Pani Puri खाना है. Pani Puri. Okay, he is buying some interesting food, guys. Oh, namaste. Okay, let's have the Pani Puri. Okay, I will keep my camera over here.
Hello?
Alright, I think it is visible. Or maybe I keep the lid here and use my hand to, you know, swing around the camera for better angle. Okay.
त्यो मैले ढुङ्गामा सानो प्लेस किनेदेखि युट्युबमा हेरेर त्यो आफ्ना ढाबाको चाहिँ अनियनको उयो बनाएर बोतलमा हालेर छिटो गरेर.
Okay, it will go around and then I'm gonna be the last one. अंकल यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं थोड़ा. All right, it's my turn. Guys, I can feel the instant punch of this liquid. Yeah, mint, पुदीना है ना इसमें. पुदीना का strong taste आ रहा है. Strong taste of पुदीना. Nice.
के भन्छ अब यही खाने मान्छेलाई त
I have to wait for my turn. Okay, this is the plate, small plate. Oh my god, it's tough.
कति भयो भैया
Let me drink some of this liquid.
कति भयो
हम लोग का कितना पीस हो गया?
20 को हाल्दिनु
चार
का कर देना हम लोग 4 पीस दिए
4 piece, yeah. So in Darjeeling, that beautiful girl, she was using a plate that is made out of leaf, dried leaf. Here it's paper. All right, let's go. For 20 rupees, 6 piece. Last piece है ना ये? Okay, this is the last piece, guys.
थोड़ा सा पानी दीजिए ना
मैं पे कटूंगा.
मीठा नहीं है हाँ
और एक दे दो. Okay, this one is sweet one.
मीठा
Mitha, sweet.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री
Oh, this is a complimentary one. Thank you. Complimentary one. All right. Sweet. मैं पे करता हूँ भैया.
वट
ये दे दो. ये चेंज होगा.
नहीं
Brother Rajesh is paying. Next stuff I will pay. क्या खाएंगे? Next, let's go and find out. Okay, now we need some juice.
Hello.
Let's search for a juice. All right. क्या है आपके पास? नमस्ते. Pickle. अच्छा, pickle नहीं चाहिए. अभी pickle खाने का टाइम नहीं है ना.
पिकल हेलो
We need some juice. Guys, no pickle.
कहाँ गर्छ
All right. I think सीधा. Okay.
वहाँ से आइए
Okay, वहाँ पे है.
कुछ होगा शायद मार्केट एरिया है ना
Okay, this is a market area, so there might be some place where we can have some juice, guys. So let's go and let's see.
होने का
I'm gonna feel like searching for a place where I can fix my phone, but I have to keep my anxiety a little low, push it down so that you know, because it will be in a rush. So let's see, let's wait till Kolkata, and tomorrow morning the first thing that I'm gonna do is fix my phone, and I will hit the road, the Kolkata road, Kolkata streets, and explore Kolkata. Yeah, namaste. All right, there is some wedding or some function is happening here, guys. But I'm not sure whether it's a wedding or some functions. Namaste. कोलकाता में नमस्ते कैसे बोलता है?
नमस्ते वही
मतलब बंगाली में
नमस्कार
नमस्कारम तो वो केरला का हो गया. नमस्कार नॉर्मली नमस्कार. Okay. All right. Bengali में. Okay, we can see a lot of chai. Okay, this is the bus depot. We can see a lot of chai stalls here, but no juice stall. He is selling some utensil. My God, nice and interesting. This is the government one. This is the government bus, and that one was the private bus. We are choosing the private one. We have arrived here. हाँ कुछ है ही नहीं. Yeah, I think we can ask someone. हाँ ठीक है. Yeah, let's see. We can ask someone. Okay, here the mattress and all are happening, so they are making mattress. All right. See how he is making. Namaste भैया. भैया यहाँ पे ना नमस्ते को कैसे बोलता है बंगाली में? नमस्ते जैसा ही बोलता है या कैसे बोलता है?
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। ओके नमस्कार, थैंक यू। नमस्कार दादा। यहाँ पे ज़्यादा दादा यूज़ करता है ना? हाँ ओके, थैंक यू। Alright, I have to change this term, bhaiya to dada here in West Bengal. Let's see. Namaskar, dada. Okay, let's go. They have so many stuff. Namaste, namaskar. Okay. Yeah. यहाँ पे okay, let's see. भैया, I think. Okay, that's flower, I think. Let's see, we can see only chai stalls here, not the juice one. You know, the fresh juice kind of stall where we can drink pineapple juice, pomegranate juice, or maybe we can eat some ice cream as well.
Ice cream parlor.
Yeah, we can eat ice cream as well. Because, you know, in Sikkim it was very cold, but here it's becoming very hot. So let's treat ourselves with some cool ice cream, sweet one. Let's go. We are gonna need to cross the road. It's gonna be tough. There are lots of vehicles coming. So we can run. Yes. All right. And again, now we reach the other side of the street. Okay, here let's go to that ice cream shop and let's have some ice cream. Namaskar Bhabi. Ice cream. I want the stick one, maybe this one.
अमूल रोस्टी
और which one you want?
उनके लिए brother
हाँ उनके लिए भी एक लेना है। दो ये है, आपका क्या? Okay, let me take out my wallet, guys.
no.
Or maybe I can keep my camera like this. Here. कॉफी वाला है?
कॉफी है।
हाँ कॉफी वाला दे दो मेरे।
ठीक है, तो मैं फिर एक बताता हूँ।
ठीक है,
Wait.
No, I will pay.
अब बाद में पे।
Oh, wait. He is paying, guys. I was supposed to pay this. Okay, I will take the coffee one. Coffee, because I love coffee.
From call करते हैं।
Let's try the coffee one. This is the first time. Right.
ये मेरा रेगुलर है।
This one regular आपका?
रेगुलर आइसक्रीम
अच्छा है?
अच्छा लगता है। तो ठीक है। फ्लेवर जो होता है चॉकलेट का होता है, चॉकलेट वाला मुझे पसंद है ज़्यादा। अमूल वाला ये वाला अच्छा लगता है खाने में।
Mine is a chocolate one. Coffee one, coffee. Nice and cool treat. बहुत बड़ा है वेस्ट बंगाल भी बहुत बड़ा है।
बहुत बढ़िया है ये।
सिलीगुड़ी से कोलकाता जाने में 12 आवर्स है ना, 12 आवर्स, अराउंड 12 आवर्स guys. तो वेस्ट बंगाल इज वेरी बिग.
आई होप बस हमें अच्छा मिल जाए कंडीशन में, सही होना चाहिए।
We want the bus to be in a good condition. That's what we want. We haven't seen the bus yet. They showed us some picture. I'm not sure like whether I should believe them or not. We bargain a little bit. Let's see how it comes out. Let's see the reality. दीदी, बाबे, यहाँ पे सबसे फेमस क्या है सिलीगुड़ी का? सबसे फेमस चीज़ मतलब कोई भी गुड थिंग अबाउट सिलीगुड़ी सबसे अच्छा।
वो तो पता नहीं मेरे को।
कुछ भी ठीक नहीं, सही नहीं है क्या? पता नहीं,
खाने में हो गया,
मतलब फेमस किस चीज़ के होता है सिलीगुड़ी?
खाने का हो गया या कुछ बनाने का हो गया।
हाँ वो सब उतना मालूम नहीं है। वो इधर में सभी
सब मिक्स है, everything is mixed, so she is not able to differentiate like what is the famous thing here. दीदी एक ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है? वो वाला ठीक है, थैंक यू. Alright, let's go from here and let's see what can attract us. What I can say about Siliguri is that the best thing about Siliguri is that you can get bus for many places like Shillong, Assam, Guwahati, Tezpur. You can get bus for Jharkhand, Ranchi, Patna, Gaya, or you can go to Kolkata, and you can go all the way up to Gangtok, Darjeeling. So yeah, maybe this is the best thing about Siliguri, the hotspot of connections. Yeah, let's see. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hire an e-rickshaw, and then we will go to the city center. They say that it's around 20 minutes far away from here, maybe lesser than that. So let's find out. Let's see how the city center looks like. City center, right?
City center.
Okay, it's a mall.
It's mall.
Okay, let's see. Let's find out. Okay, let's have some sugarcane juice here. I think I can keep it here. Some mint also goes in. Some masala. Okay, mixing it properly. Okay, thank you. All right, let's see. It's been so long that I haven't had any sugarcane juice. Maybe like 3 years, 4 years. Oh my god. Perfect amount of masala, I will say. Not so much, a little bit. Nice. But I will pay.
Okay.
You have been paying. कितना हो गया? 40. Okay. आपका नाम क्या है भैया? विकास. Okay. Okay, अच्छा है बहुत. पुदीना का टेस्ट भी सही है. Alright, I should not forget the taste of pudina. That is the mint. The perfect amount of mint, sugarcane juice, and the masala. A kind of protest is happening over there. I'm not sure like what's the protest. Let's go and let's give this ice cream to my brother, and let's go to the city center.
हमारा उधर हमें हो गया.
हाँ?
हमारा बैंक वाला काम हो गया.
हो गया. मैं पैसा निकालने वाला था.
और पैसा निकालने वाला था.
हाँ, निकाल दिया.
निकाल दिया.
हाँ.
ओ बढ़िया.
थैंक यू अंकल. आपका नाम अभी बताया था?
हमारा नाम प्रेमचंद चौधरी है.
प्रेमचंद चौधरी. ओके. सिलीगुड़ी का सबसे अच्छा चीज़ क्या है?
क्या है? क्या है? अपना अपना चॉइस है. क्या है?
आपका चॉइस क्या है?
अब देखिए, आप बाहर का आते हैं कि हमारा चॉइस क्या है. हमारा चॉइस क्या बोलेगा?
चॉइस है ही नहीं क्या?
चॉइस है अपना.
क्या अच्छा है मतलब खाना, मतलब कोई भी मतलब?
ऐसे तो हम बाहर में कोई खाता होता कभी नहीं.
बाहर में कभी खाता नहीं है. अच्छा. और कोलकाता का सबसे फेमस खाना क्या है? पूरा मतलब वेस्ट बंगाल का.
यहाँ का तो सबसे है तो इलिश माछ.
इलिस ये मछली का नाम
मछली का नाम
मछली
इलिस
का नाम,
इलिस
है।
मास. Okay. I will try and eat ilis mas. Ilis fish. Ilis mas in Kolkata. Kolkata में खाऊंगा मैं.
हाँ,
यहाँ पे नहीं. Thank you uncle. Right, this is the bus. Okay. But now it's 4:36. We have around 2 hours. Let's see. Namaste. आप यही बस में बस का है ड्राइवर इस बस का. ओके. नमस्ते. आपका नाम क्या है? सौरभ दे. हम सेफली लेके जाना ठीक है कोलकाता में. Alright, he is the driver of the bus and I feel a little tired guys. Let's see. We are thinking about going to the city center but let's see. अभी जाना है या क्या सिटी सेंटर? बोल रहा है कि ये यहाँ पे रुकेंगे सामान देखेंगे.
चले
हम दोनों चलते हैं देखते हैं.
चलो तो फिर
भैया
सिटी सेंटर छोड़ दोगे
कितना टाइम लगेगा? कितना टाइम लगेगा?
टाइम 20 मिनट
20 मिनट.
150 वो ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो आप.
ज़्यादा बोल रहे हैं.
कितना दीजिएगा मुझे?
सिटी सेंटर.
हम इधर से डायरेक्ट चल जाए तो 150 लेंगे. ठीक है 150 कितना दीजिएगा?
Okay, he's asking for more money. Let's see. A lot of traffic jam is happening over here. Let's see if we can reach the city center timely or not. They say that it takes only 20 minutes, but here there is a lot of traffic jam. The first auto rickshaw he asked for 150. The second one asked for 200. I mean this one, and we finally agreed to 100 rupees. And now he is taking us over there. But there are lots of traffic jam happening here. It should be only 20 minutes. Namaste. Namaste. Okay, he has some cool stuff over here. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye bye. Small ice Indian. Dave. Okay. I cannot hear what he is saying. Alright, we are moving guys. Okay, this is the city center. They have Decathlon as well. Maybe I buy some protein bar from Decathlon. Let's see, let's go inside and check out this city center. Alright, you can see this stuff in front of the city center. Alright, interesting place. Some guava and it's evening time. Okay, let's go to this city center. They have some lottery system over here and some cow. A cow is also roaming here. Okay, this is the front view of the mall. I'm gonna put my camera inside and I will check out once I get inside the mall. Let's see. This is inside the mall, and one interesting thing is that they did not check us. They were just like doing their business, and we just get inside the mall. This is what you can see inside the mall. A lot of shops, Nike shops over here, T Junction, some massage area over here. Okay, a lot of people are over here. Oh my god, a big Christmas tree because it's Christmas season. Okay, nice decoration guys. I'm inside the city center mall in Siliguri, West Bengal. Guys, you can see it's a nice place. Guys, I'm searching for Decathlon. Let's see. Decathlon में भी interesting things मिल जाएगा. Okay. Where is Decathlon? Third floor. Yeah, Decathlon third floor. Let's go to third floor. Okay, this is what you can see from third floor. Nice, right? Okay, Decathlon. Huh? Decathlon. किसी को पूछते हैं. Let's go and ask someone. See the people around. They're having a good time here. Because of the LED, the video might be a little flickering. Let's see. Okay, Decathlon is over there. Okay, we will climb up from there. We have to climb up from there. Okay, right now I'm in Decathlon and I was thinking about buying a bag, a bigger one. I'm not sure whether I should buy it from here or not. Thing is that their bags are good in quality and cheap. Let's say I think this one is good, but the price is out of my budget. Okay, let's look for something else. So I'm thinking, guys, this one is also good, but the thing is that it's a little small. Okay. This one is strong, but it's very costly. Okay, maybe I get it from Kolkata. Let's see. You can get tents and everything from here. Alright, I've got what I was looking for. 16 grams of protein. Okay, I'm thinking of buying it. Which one will be better? This one is, which flavor is it? Double chocolate and granola bar. Okay, what is this? This is not a protein bar. Granola bar, what is this? Source of protein, source of fiber. What is this? Okay, it has protein 15 grams. Maybe I get 3 of this and 3 of this. Okay, what is this one? Alright, let's do the payment, guys.
Prices and material is just from in my sense. Card होते हैं. The phone, what's happening? Hey, you मेरे जो ना तो? हाँ? मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ.
Alright, guys. Auction protein bars. Thank you. We are here in the game area. What is this? And I don't play games, guys. So I am not sure like what's the thing over here. This is what I can show you. Okay, he is driving well. Time out हो गया. They have this cool stuff. You can get chocolates if you are talented. You can do some horse ride over here as well. Set point. Oh, it's flying. Oh, yes. Oh my God. First place. Nice job. Good job. We are outside the mall and it's already night. That's why I changed my spec. Okay, interesting. Some kids are playing over there. We're gonna need to go to the bus station and catch the bus. Let's go. And I think this will be the end of this video, guys. This is what I enjoyed, what I experienced in Siliguri. From tomorrow onwards, see you in Kolkata. See you again.